Before the video begins, make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Come against this video to 30 likes. Yes, we can, so make sure to smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And it takes 1 second to subscribe, so make sure to click that subscribe button. And also, while you're at it, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I put in a video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. yeah, everybody, that was at the end of the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. Also, it really helps out with the channel a lot. And also, while you're at it, comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment, because I reply back to every single comment. So comment what you thought of drawing. Here's Naruto 6 Paths mode. It's been a while since I've done an actual Naruto drawing of like any character, because usually I do those word art drawings within the Naruto series. But hopefully you all enjoyed. I think the outcome came out really cool, and I really love the colors especially. So hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.